Alright, I'm going to show you how to put this thing together real quick. Let's start with your motor mount. Grab your two M6x20 and your two M6 nuts. Go ahead and pop them in there. Then take your M5x50. Put your nut on the other side. Tighten it up. You can tighten these down. And then take your motor and slide it in there. Make sure it's going the right way. Tighten her all the way up. And run your power jack in there. Put it through there into that hole. And that's just your standard 5.0 by 2.1 female jack. And if you get the power supply on the Amazon link I linked, you can just use the alligator clips and cut the alligator clips and use that as your plug instead of buying a 10-pack of plugs. Either way though. And then take your shroud. That just sits right on there. Put your nuts on. Get those all nice and tight. You can throw washers on there to keep it a little more secure if you can fit them on there. And then, this is your foam wheel. Stick your M5 nut in there. And then your M5x20. Just make sure it sits in that lip. Get it all tightened up. The foam wheel arbor is shorter than the diamond arbor. That's your foam wheel. Nice Velcro action there. And then your diamond arbor. Put your M5 nut in there. Make sure that's centered. That's your motor nut. Sits on a spindle. Grab your M2 nut, your M2 bolt. Put it on there. Find the hole. This bolt you don't want to tighten up all the way. The way it's designed, it keeps your arbor tight. But if you tighten it all the way, your arbor won't sit all the way flush down. Like that. And your splash guard sits in those little grooves. That's for your water control drip. Slides right in there. Push to connect. 8mm outer diameter hose. That just sits right on there. And your power sits right there.